So, Honorable, in explaining this, the volume of water that we crossed over from 2024 into 2025 was just about 5% of the volume that we can use actively from this facility. Come rain in January, February, all the way through May, we have managed to build that water from 5% in January. We hit a maximum that's slightly above 45% of volume captured behind this facility. And because of that, that's why we will now see a recommendation that we will maintain a 50 megawatt output from it. And that water flowing out from that power plant is heading straight into Kafue Gorge, where we've got a generating plant at 990 megawatts capacity. It will produce less than that 990. It will produce according to the water reporting to it. After that power plant, we will then again generate another amount of electricity from Kafue Gorge lower. So when you now put that production across the three cascaded power plants, that is what is supporting the national demand. And because we have this deliberate plan to have continuous flows that support these three stations, we are confident, Honorable, to reach December with the water that has been trapped here at ZESCO. Normally, we have an expectation that the starting of the hydrological year, which is October in every year, you would get the early rains reporting. But when we make our decisions on the operation here, as a prudent dam operator, we will make those predictions based on what we have captured. And what reports in October is then captured for the next coming hydrological year. Thank you.